Some of y'all are wondering ukuthi gogo kunomuntu othwasile endlini, right? And you suspecting ukuthi mhlambe uthwebule idlozi, mhlambe uphendule idlozi ukuthi usebenzele yena ayi1 and nonke lingasebenzeli. So now you thinking ukuthi uthwele ngedlozi. That's not true. Nina inkinga ukuthi nisheshe nikhohlwe. Remember umuntu makaya entwasweni ayothwasa, ayothabatha ubunyanga bakhe ngokuphelele, akayeli yena kuphela, uyela for the whole family. Just that yena, they are the chosen one, right? Ukuthi uyena uzothabatha lobukhosi, uyena uzothabatha ikhwama, right? So thola ukuthi idlozi lithe okay yekela umsebenzi wekele yonke into, right? But you're doing it for the whole family. Mawuphuma entwasweni, people are gonna get married, people are gonna get jobs, they're gonna break generational curses. But you like, instead they were not broken, instead izinto zibe worse. Reason why izinto zibe worse, I'm here to tell you. Umuntu makayothwasa kuyenzeka ukuthi idlozi libheke ukuthi kwanina you have to assist one way or the other. Mawuyenza njalo ukhanyisela idlozi. Mawuya esigodlweni somuntu uthatha imithi uyakhanyisa. Mawuya esigodlweni somuntu uyohlola uyakhanyisa. Wenzela ukuthi idlozi laloyo muntu likusebenzele, right? Likwazi ukuthi likulaphe. Mangabe umuntu usentwasweni, you know ukuthi entwasweni people they buy their own food, kudingeka imali entwaso, kudingeka imali inkomo kaGobela, kudingeka imbuzi, kudingeka all these things. Afone umntana abantu anitshelwe nini ukuthi okay umntana abantu usentwasweni, wena uthi angezingeni uziyele in. That's why your things went sour, because akusidlozi lakhe. Yes uyothwasa, but akusidlozi lakhe ayi1, also idlozi lenu. So you having to contribute that 50 rands, it doesn't have to be even 1,000 rand. You contributing towards inkomo uthi mina ngino 500, it's something. Ukhanyisela idlozi lakho ukuthi maseliqala liqhaqha amaketanye, lichacha ibopho, libusisa, nawe likhumbula idlozi lakho because of ulincedile ukuthi likwazi ukuthi lithole ini intwaso. So a lot of you decide to distance yourself, a lot of you decide not to partake. Bese umntana abantu masekaphuma entwasweni izinto zikhanya bese nithi nina uyaloya, nina uthwebule idlozi, nina uphendule idlozi ukuthi lisebenzele yena ayi1 qha, idlozi alikhohlwa. Laba banqedile, they are reaping. Laba who've contributed, even if it's not something ukuthi uthola umsebenzi, uthola ukuthi there was a generational curse yokugula, ulaphekile, uthola ukuthi bekangathola umshado, utholile, uthola ukuthi bekangathola ingane, uyitholile, but one way or the other kukhona la idlozi livule khona, and you're not aware because of why when ubhizi ubhekelo ukuthi uyathakatha. Just wanted to share my 2 cents. Anyways, hope y'all are good. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kusase yimina ugogo Mahlabahlabani insizwa kaMkhonto.